Hi folks, welcome back once again for another exciting video. So here we have the twins with us today, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 and the KTM RC390. Today we are going to make a practical comparison of both the motorcycles. Both of these motorcycles revolutionized the sports bike segment in India in the last decade. The Ninja 300 here is the bigger version of the Ninja 250 which revolutionized the quarter-liter segment motorcycle. The KTM RC390 here is the third version of the KTM Duke 390 which made performance motorcycle affordable to the masses in India. So the Ninja 300 here has been with us for more than 7 years and it is less than 50 kilometers shy of making the 72,000 kilometers on the road. Whereas the KTM RC390 here has been with us for 4.5 years and has done 53,000 kilometers. So it is easy for us to understand each and every aspect of this motorcycle. Today we'll take some common aspects of both these motorcycles and compare each other and see how both of them fare. The first thing we are going to discuss today is about the reliability. So the Ninja 300 wins hands down here. Doesn't mean that the RC390 is unreliable, but the Ninja 300 is super reliable. You have to never worry about chances of getting a breakdown or any such sort of things. The RC390 is also a good reliable motorcycle, but there is a misconception among our youth that the RC390 is not reliable. It all depends on how you maintain your bike. Also, the RC390 always gets compared with the Ninja 300. When you are getting compared with the Ninja 300 on reliability, it is very difficult for you to win. So, advantage Ninja here. The next thing we are going to discuss about is the features of both this motorcycle. So, speaking of features, the Ninja 300 was not having any ABS initially, and ABS was introduced only in 2020 when the government of India made it compulsory for motorcycles above 125cc to have ABS, whereas the KTM RC390 was having ABS right from the beginning. Also, the Ninja 300 was having a slipper clutch right from 2013, and KTM introduced the slipper clutch in the RC390 in the year 2016. Speaking of features, we cannot ignore the dashboard of both the motorcycles. So when you look at the dashboard, the Ninja's dashboard has a big analog tachometer and a small digital display which shows basic information like the speed, the odometer reading, the clock and the fuel gauge. Whereas if you look at the RC390's dashboard, it is fully digital and it shows a ton of information when compared to the Ninja 300. Distance to empty, average fuel consumed and average speed, to name a few. Also, the RC390 sports inverted 43.5 mm shock absorbers, whereas the Ninja 300 has regular telescopic forks. So the RC390 wins hands down here. Here comes the twist. The next thing which we are going to discuss is about the riding comfort of both these motorcycles. Both of these motorcycles are very much uncomfortable to ride. It is like as if there is a competition between Kawasaki and KTM on who makes the least comfortable seats. It doesn't end there, since both of these motorcycles have a pillion seat. The real pain starts once you sit on the first floor, otherwise called as the pillion seats. The pillion seats of both these motorcycles are really uncomfortable and are fit for a ride not more than 30 minutes. The RC390 heats up a lot and it is very difficult to ride in slow moving traffic. But again, it feels more comfortable during night time and in cold climates. Should not have been any winner in this segment of comparison. But again, the Ninja 300 with its butter smooth engine offers a good quality ride, whereas the RC390 vibrates a lot and the ride quality is not as good as the Ninja 300. So the Ninja 300 barely makes a win in this segment. Up next, we are going to compare the performance of both this motorcycle, and I think we already know who is the winner here. both of these motorcycles are performance motorcycle in India, and this is where it gets serious between both of them. The 296cc twin-cylinder Ninja 300 produces 39 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, whereas the 373cc high compression single-cylinder KTM RC390 produces 43.5 bhp and 35 Nm of torque. And the RC390 is 6 kg lighter than Ninja 300, which weighs 172 kg. Here, the RC390 wins hands down. In a drag race, it pulls like anything and reaches the 0 to 100 km/h mark in 5.5 seconds, whereas the Ninja 300 takes just below 6.5 seconds to do the same. One thing worth mentioning here is the Ninja 300 has a better top speed of 191 km/h, whereas the RC390's top speed is electronically limited to 180 km/h. Again, nobody is going to ride a 300cc motorcycle at speeds exceeding 180 km/h all the day. So, the RC390 wins here hands down. Finally, let's compare about the maintenance of both these motorcycles. So how will I put that into perspective? For example, the chain and sprocket set here runs twice as much as the chain and sprocket set present here, but again it costs 4 times as much as the chain and sprocket set of the KTM RC390. Do your math and you will see which motorcycle is cheaper to maintain. Though the RC390 is cheaper to maintain thanks to the parts shared with the Bajaj, it requires frequent trips to the service center for repairs and replacement of parts. Though the Ninja 300 charges a premium amount for its parts, it doesn't require any frequent trips to the service center. So the Kawasaki, though it is costly, it saves a lot of your time and energy by preventing unnecessary trips to the service center. So I think there is no conclusive winner in this segment, and let us call it a draw. So if you have decided to purchase either of this motorcycle, my advice would be take a test ride of both these motorcycle and then go for the one which your heart says. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for instant notifications.